Hey, I'm Lionel, and welcome to Leon-o-stoics, the channel where we build the stoicism in the modern life. Today, I like to present what's made the journal your best friend. 3 reasons why you should journal every day. Back then in the past, I used to do journal back in middle school because it's obligation to do this as homework to the homeroom teacher. I wrote what I done and so on, but there's no point of doing it. I just wrote whatever I think is right. So I don't have any passionate thing about it. And since high school, I stopped journaling because I feel I was lazy, to be honest with you. But then, the addiction, the procrastination, and so on comes through me. I feel so lazy until I came across spiritual path and stoicism. My mentor said it's so super important to write a journal. If you write the journal, you get the milestone from the start. You get to begin your journey and challenges. You make the mark that you try to do a certain thing. For my example, I used to be super shy on the video in front of me. I had no courage to do the video. So I wrote down on the journal that I must make the video happen. And you know what the first few days were? They aren't fruitful because I still let my emotions play with me. But the journals help me by let me writing. What's my progress? How is it going? Which leads to the second benefit. It gives your accountability and it gives you the space to write what's the core of problem. What's the root that makes you fear or not doing something? When I failed on making the video on that day, I wrote down on the journal and said, I was afraid that people's gonna dislike my voice. I wrote that down on the journal. And then I realized that I was feared to be ashamed. I was thinking about validation. So I breathed in and said, those are just the overthinking, the worries I had in my life. Then I pushed myself. I had premeditatio malorum. thinking that must have to face the hardship anyway. So there you go, I did it. I created the video. The last and most thing I like to say about journaling is you get the taste of your own journey and challenges you facing in your life from A, B, and C. A is the initial, B is the tension climax, C is resolution and success. The journal is your best friend. Remember that. Please subscribe and follow Leon-o-stoics channel for more tips to become a healthy person with strong mind.